Is that a crappie? Oh, it is. And in here, looky here what we did. I wasn't even sure that was going to be a crappie, but it is. It's a nice. Hey guys, welcome back. We're in the back of Indian Creek. It's December 30th. It is 2:54 p.m. and the temperature is 43 degrees. Sun's out, so it's chilly, but it's not too bad. We're going to throw some jigs. We got some brush piles, hopefully some Roman crappie. We'll see what happens. So stay with us. Don't go nowhere. Hey, go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, now we got to find the fish back. I did make 2 casts. There's a pretty good brush pile up here. Or I made 3 casts, caught 2 fish. So hopefully that wasn't the only 2 fish that's going to bite. But fish on. I knew I was right in the middle of them. Boy, he didn't hit it very hard. White crappie. But we're glad to have him. All right, let's get another one. Let's get another one. Never did see my jig, so got a chaser. We got a fish. Oh, feel like, oh my, feels like a good one. That can't be. Is that a crappie? Oh, it is. And in here, looky here what we did. I wasn't even sure that was going to be a crappie, but it is. It's a nice lake of the Ozarks, December 30th. Crappie. Let's get up there and do that again. That was fun. Don't stop now. Keep coming. That thing followed it all the way from that brush pile to almost to the boat. It's weird how some of them will do that and the next one will just hammer it. Fish on. He's not as big as the last one, but we're glad to have him. Boy, they're not hitting it very hard. It just kind of feels a little bit different. We got a Grandpa's hair jig, 24th ounce hair jig, white and pink. Of course, H&H rods and reels. Put new line on and get working. Come on, get it. He pulled that thing all the way from that brush pile. I think it's a good fish. He was that big, bright, oh my, dot sitting on top of that brush pile. Man, he followed that a long ways. It's a crappie. He's not as big as he acting though, but it's a nice one. Yes, sir. This might be the last fish I get to catch this year. All right, right there. Might be a white bass. I didn't get very close because I never saw my jig. All right, he's right there. There's another one right there. 15 feet. We had to be right on him. We was too. He followed it a ways before he hit it, but there he is. The old pink and white Grandpa's hair jig's getting it done today. Get back in here. What are you doing? I'm so cold. I can't move. Son of a bitch. There. Boy, that is a lot of fish right there. Fish home. I was beginning to wonder how I could come through all those fish and not catch a fish. Oh, dadgummit, that was a good fish. There he goes right back, zoom right back here. That's a good fish. Well, we'll get another one. Come on, get it. Oh, he did too. 2 in a row. Boy, they're really following it. Nothing's hitting it right there at where they're at. They're following it a long way before they hit it. Oh, and I missed one. Hey, on. That one went ka-funk. He was way out there, almost off the screen. Thinks he's tough. Must be a white bass. It's a white bass. That's why he felt tough. But you guys know how I feel about them. We're glad to have him. Pink and white hair jig. Doesn't seem cold till your hands get wet. Fish on. Another fighter. Get away from that trolling motor. There, he got away from it. Got to be a white bass. No, it was crappie and not even very big. Well, he got little. He's pretty. He's got little black specks all over his fins. Why are you reeling funny? Fish on. That jig went by about 5 before one of them finally bit it. So we switched. I lost the pink and rub a little fish scent on there. I lost the pink and white hair jig. The plain white hair jig didn't seem to make any difference. You know the old saying, never leave fish to go find fish. We're going to leave fish and go find fish. I know where there's another brush pile or two. Hey, like and subscribe. Just got to go boop, boop. Fish on. Nice little, nice crappie. Oh, he's way up. He's a real nice crappie. White hair jig. Look at the Ozarks. Crappie. Alright, we're right where we want to be. Fish on. Look at the Ozarks. Man, my fingers are cold. But if they weren't cold, I probably wouldn't be catching any of them. Fish on. As soon as I got there. 2 in a row. He's not a pretty good crappie. They just don't ever, never, ever get old. He's got a little bit of a belly. Look at there. He liked that Grandpa's hair jig so well he didn't want to let go of it. We're going to give him a boop boop. Ah, let's get back out there. We got him. White bass. Well, them things fight. He bit that jig completely out of sight. I think I just saw another one. Well, my fingers are cold. I don't know if I mentioned that. But they're cold. That one right there, the crooked one. Oh. Alright, here we go, right on top of him. Got him. I think they're white bass. I haven't seen it yet. Yep, white bass. Freebie. Another Lake of the Ozarks white bass. That fish was right underneath the trolling motor. I don't know why I did that. I just threw that jig around top of another rod. Hey, home. He was laying right on that log. Guys, I'm going to call it. Good day. Didn't have to go anywhere. Fish are in 11 feet of water or shallower and some white bass mixed in. So thanks for watching. More to come. Don't go nowhere. Dadgummit, that was a good fish. Crap. Hello, I just missed a whoop whooper. Tangled up the camera.